Here on the Scenic Eclipse, the Discovery team is so passionate about what they do, about enriching your experience and being part of your story along this journey.
So we've got somewhere between 200,000 and 300,000 pairs of king penguins here. It changes from year to year, and the only way to count them is by drone footage.
Antarctica is approximately twice the size of Australia, and it's 50% bigger than the entire United States.
We have marine biologists, the ornithologists, geologists, glaciologists, historians, and naturalists, and they all bring to life where you are and how they can enrich the experience through their passion and love within their given fields.
I was lucky enough to spend almost 2 years of my life in South Georgia as a fisheries scientist. It's an incredible place, not many people have heard of it. Just something magnificent to behold, something you will never see anywhere else in the world.
But most importantly, they're here because they enjoy this place and seeing it's pristine and just being part of it with you.